It has been a long time dream of mine to have a good home theater, a media room within the house. I have this office room which is my working space and work setup, but the shape and dimensions of it are a little bit odd. So it was a little bit of a challenge to design the media room, and this is when I came across Tanmay Mehta's videos on YouTube. I was still a little bit skeptical that the TAP AV team being in Pune, how they could actually execute this project within Bangalore. So I went around and went to local home theater stores, visited a few of these stores and other people who do such kind of projects here, but I was not really impressed. I think it was pretty long.
For all the IT professionals who are working from home and have got a dedicated room which they call as an office room, I have got a fantastic news. Now I know for the fact that during the day you guys are working extremely hard in that room. The room needs to give you that kind of energy or good vibes. But as and how the day progresses, you want to convert it into a room where you can chill around with your friends over an IPL match, or probably spend good time with your partners or with your children doing a binge watch on OTT. Now, for all of this, what you need is a nice man cave like treatment, right? That is where you need a big screen experiences. And that is exactly what I'm going to showcase to all of you today. Because we recently converted one such room for a client in the IT capital of our country, that is Bangalore. And this room was extremely complicated. So for all of you who think that my room is small, my room is big, well, trust me, I am going to showcase you one room which you have never ever believed that it can actually be converted into a theater room. This is how the room looks like. It has got no definite boundaries. None of the walls are straight or flat except for the front wall, which also has a window. So this was extremely crucial for us to redesign this entire space and work around in a manner where we can actually create a nice office during the day, but a wonderful home theater experience for our clients during the night. So Mr. Darshan, who is the owner of this place, he came out with a very simple requirement. He's like, Tanmay, I've got a room which I fairly think I can convert into a cinema room with your expertise. And he had already created a nice structured document. So this is his initial document that I'm going to showcase you. He already had marked that where is the beam location, where is he planning for the sitting and everything. And we got into our first paid consultancy call. Now during this call, he requested that I want to have a 4K video. LED laser is no fancy treatment for me. I am okay with a lamp projector as well, or I need something which is of a good light. My room is going to be fairly dark. It is not going to have too many of windows which will throw light into the room. But yes, I need a projector which can give me a nice movie experience. Similarly, in the audio part, it was very clear that we are looking for a nice Atmos setup. So 5.1.2 was something that we settled down to as a basic necessity for that particular room. Now, if you look at this document, Darshan had literally done his homework properly. He knew what he wanted. He showed all the photos across. He attached some extra information along with it. Then he gave us some photos of the live site for reference. Apart from that, the 3Ds were shared as to how the space is going to look like, because this is where the designers of you guys would come into place to design or beautify the place. And then he knew what he wanted from this. Now, all of this gave us enough clarity, and from this, we could literally take him to the next steps. So the first step was to identify that what kind of audio video system can we look up to. Because if you look at this room, they had a lot of things already coming up, right? The room structure, as I told you, was not rectangular. Now, while browsing through all of this information, we came across an interesting piece. And this was this particular cabinet on the back wall. Now, since the back wall had partial wall and then they had some extra space, we thought of using this particular space to hide our projector. Because definitely you don't want to necessarily showcase the projector, and definitely not something which is mounted from the ceiling or from the wall. So we thought of creating a small carved space in this particular cabinet, and it could just showcase the lamp or the front area of the projector, but rest of the thing could still be utilized as a storage space. But to do this, there are two more things that you need to know. Is the projector aligning with the center of the screen, as well as is the throw distance working in your favor? And to do that, we wanted to go to the next step of design. And that is where we requested the client to opt for the next design service, which would help him visualize all of these things in more detail. And while doing that, we saw more other opportunities coming through. We realized that if at all we go with the screen, something like this, and on-wall speakers, once the screen goes up, the speakers would be just looking around hanging on the wall. So that is where we thought of changing an on-wall speaker to a floor standing speaker. But since the instruction was very, very clearly given to us that we want to stick to an economical concept, we thought of scratching our brains and coming up with different product solutions. So that is where Epson TW7100, which is a 4K lamp-based projector, worked in our favor because it has got a horizontal lens shift by almost 1.5 feet, which meant that even if the cabinet is not in the center of the screen, I could still be okay with it. The second part is for the audio system. With regards to the floor standing speaker, we went ahead with the Polk Audio's Monitor XT package because that is one of the nicest and the sweetest spot speaker package, which I have constantly recommended to many people and everybody has literally raved about it. Especially if you are into a zone of 4 to 5 lakh rupees as a home theater building zone, then definitely this combination works out to be one of the fantastic one. The only drawback of the Polk Monitor XT for us was a nice impactful subwoofer. And that is where instead of going ahead with the Polk subwoofer, we went ahead with the Elac Varo series subwoofer, which is a 10 inches PS250 model subwoofer. And this comes with an app control, which means that in this kind of complex room, which has too many of niches and curves around, we knew that the bass could get trapped anywhere and it could create a little boominess. So this app control allowed us to fine tune the subwoofer to a great level. Now, while going through all of this process, we learned so many things. We learned that how we can actually beautify the space for acoustics as well. And that is where we started treating the front wall and the right hand side wall by some surfaces where we could actually create a good sound enhancement. So there was no, reflections happening around everywhere. There's a nice piece of carpet that is laid on the floor, which takes care of all the floor reflections, especially due to the floor standing speakers. And now the room looks exactly what we had envisioned. Now, during the day, when you want to use the space as an office space, you definitely want the light to come in. You want some natural light in the room. So that is where this particular wall became very, very interesting. Because if you look at this wall otherwise, this is how the window is, right? It's right in the front where the screen is actually overlapping. So the screen is calling it off as a day and then it rolls up into a nice dark cinema room. So that is the perfect visualization that we have had for this space. And this light helps the client to work around in this particular place properly. So if you see that during the daytime when he wants to work, the table is right coming in front of this window. And then the moment the evening starts coming in, the table goes on the side, the screen comes down, and then you sit on the recliner and just enjoy that movie experience. Now, since we started with this work sometime around June, July, by the time we reached December, the room was almost done. And today, when we look at this room, it really feels so nice to see that during the day, it has become a perfect workplace for the client. But by the time the evening comes in, he's able to enjoy a nice movie experience with his family. And when we design any home theater at TAP AV, trust me, all that matters to us is not how great the equipment is. It does not matter what fancy brands you're buying. What matters to me is how are you really enjoying that system. So when we come across a good 5-star reviews on the Google page, that is really what brings us smile here at TAP AV. And my team here literally thrives for it. So I hope that this setup tour was as valuable to you as it was for us. And if you would want to convert your such work from home setups into a man cave or a nice home cinema experiences, don't forget to check the link that is shared in the description as well as in the pinned comment. Now, all of this setup tour, enough of me talking, let me show you a glimpse of what the client also has to say for this cinema room and for us.
Hi, I'm Darshan, and I work as a group product manager at Microsoft in Bangalore. So when we bought our house and we're planning to do the interiors, it has been a long time dream of mine to have a good home theater, a media room within the house, since I really enjoy watching these movies, especially action movies with a lot of good sound effects. And so we thought, this is a good opportunity to go do it. And so I was wondering how to go about it. And this is when as I started searching, I came across Tanmay Mehta's videos on YouTube. They were actually very informative, where he has transformed many homes in different kinds of setups into media rooms. So I got in touch with him for just a consultation. In the just 1 hour call, he gave me really, really good advice. And my situation here was a little bit unique, because I did not want to use a dedicated bedroom as a media room, but I have this office room, which is my working space and work setup. And I wanted that to be my work setup during the weekdays and media room during the weekends. And the shape and dimensions of it are a little bit odd. So it was a little bit of a challenging challenge to design the media room that way. But within just that half an hour or 1 hour, Tanmay walked me through what are the potential options, how I can do this, and what some of the brands that or some of the models that he would recommend based on my budget and based on my requirements, etc. And that was really, really informative for me. I took that information. I was still a little bit skeptical that the TAP AV team, being in Pune, how they could actually execute this project within Bangalore. So I went around and went to local home theater stores, visited a few of these stores and other people who do such kind of projects here. But I was not really impressed by any of them so much. Some of them lacked the knowledge, the technical knowledge, and or the curiosity to work with me with my specifications. And in some cases, I just did not get the kind of confidence on their output or from the quality that they would go deliver. So I went back to Tanmay and said, hey, can your team come and do this project end to end for me? And he gladly agreed. We were able to come. I was able to give me a good pricing as well, and walk through how this process would go about. And right from design of this whole media room and how to specifically do this both as an office room plus media room, and then the execution, Tanmay's team kind of did this really, really flawlessly. Now, from a timeline perspective, they had to really work with my interiors, because the home interiors was going on around at the same time. So like all the electrical work and other things that really needed as a prerequisite were not yet done, but they were very accommodative. And initially I got the designs based on which I got some of the other furnishings of the room done. And after that, they came in for the measurements and provided the right inputs to my interiors company. And finally, they came in when the room was almost ready. I got the whole installation of all of the 5.1.2 speaker system, as well as the projector, screen, and the AVR, everything from them. In addition, they also did the acoustic paneling for the room for a better sound absorption and good sound effects. And once everything was done and we moved in, they came back and did a calibration. So with this, now I have got a fully functional office room during the day and on weekdays, and a fully functional media room with 5.1.2 setup with Dolby Atmos, just like I had dreamed about. And this has been like really one of the highlights of the house, and which I personally enjoy, and my son really enjoys as well. And anyone who comes to look at the house also has given us compliments on this setup. So all in all, we had a really good experience, and I wholeheartedly recommend TAP AV to anyone else, whether they're in Bangalore or in other parts of the country. If they promise that they can go deliver, then you go ahead with them. All their technical knowledge and expertise, the accountability, as well as the quality and the timely responsiveness, I'm really genuinely impressed with all of them. Such kind of usually with vendors, such kind of professionalism and accountability is hard to find, no matter what the cost is. And on the cost front, also they were very competitive with the other quotes that I have received. So all in all, a very positive experience.
So if you want to create such unique setups in your room, it can be big, small, or an oddly shaped room as well, we are more than happy to take that up as a challenge, because we here at TAP AV are genuinely known for giving out some creative and innovative solutions. Eventually, the idea and the objective still remains the same, that it has to be an immersive home cinema experience. So if you are up for it, we are full game in it. And if you love the setup tour, don't forget to hit the like button to tell us here at TAP AV, as well as our client Mr. Darshan, that his home theater is really something that you would look forward to. For more such details about designing your own spaces, don't forget to check the link in the description as well as in the pinned comment. And for more such amazing videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching. I, Tanmay Mehta, your home theater consultant or home theater wale bhaiya, will see you again in the next video. Bye bye.